Their fashion entrepreneur, how are you doing today? So I need to let you know this. You have to stop taking orders without some form of deposit. At least you must get up to 70% deposit, knowing that when they come and collect their clothes, they would pay the remaining 30% balance. Okay? This has happened to me. I remember years back when I used to do bespoke. Or like ready to wear, people buy, and then they get to pay full amounts. I know some people still take some deposits for ready to wear, but let me give this instance. I can remember back then when I used to do bespoke a lot, people, at first, I would take on orders and not know how to ask for deposits. And then I found out I'm using my own money to run the business. And when it's month end, when I need to pay my team members, when I need to restock, I'm struggling to pay. And I realized that no, I can't continue running this business like this. If I continue, I'm only going to ruin the business, and that's what you're doing to your business right now. You can't even break even. Those people, what happens is when people don't drop deposits, there's no attachment to, people have abandoned fabric. See, my store, I still have fabrics from 2014, 2012 that people have abandoned. But when they drop some deposit, there's a form of commitment, like, okay, I have my money somewhere, and they are pushing you and forcing you to produce their orders, they know that their money is somewhere. So then, at the end of the month, I don't have money to pay. And then by first week, the next month, then they start paying, probably because most of them are waiting for their salaries and all that. But I want to tell you that the moment I decided to start taking 70% deposit and 30% on collection, my life changed, my business changed, I began to scale. So one of the reasons you are not scaling might be because you are not doing this. Alright, so I want to beg you, yes, you might have to lose some customers, it's normal. When you begin to build structures, you tend to lose some people. But anyone who values your business and knows that you're in business to make money and to offer a service that they can't even do by themselves, they would what's the word now? They would appreciate the fact that yes, you're already taking your business seriously. See, what you allow grows. If you allow people coming, don't drop deposit, it will continue to move on like that. But the moment you explain to them, this is where you also apply emotional intelligence when dealing with your customers to say, oh, you know what, ma'am, please, we have to take deposit. Why? Because I need to buy raw materials. Don't make it look as if you have the raw materials in stock and you can always, pick them. Let them understand that, yes, things are expensive now, so it's even hard for you to stock up. So when there are others coming, that's when you go and buy the raw materials. That way they understand you better. I hope this has helped you. Please, fashion business owners, going forward, I don't want you to be taking orders without any form of commitment. Alright? Don't do that. It's only going to ruin your business. So I hope this has helped you. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this at YetroSelane, okay? And follow us on Instagram, YetroSelane Fashion Academy, where we share more beautiful and amazing tips to help you scale your business. Cheers!